In an abandoned warehouse lies a car that was thought to be lost forever.
A Ferrari Testarossa, covered in dust, rust, and no longer able to run.
But today, it's about to be transformed into a stunning golden masterpiece no one saw coming.
This place hasn't been touched in years. Hidden beneath layers of dust lies something extraordinary. Time has buried it, but not erased it.
Every inch tells a story of neglect.
The inside, left to decay in silence.
But beneath it all, there's still a heart waiting to breathe.
And today, that changes. This isn't just a repair, it's a resurrection. The chassis is solid, but the body needs rebirth. We'll bring her back to life.
We're not just fixing it, we're rebuilding it. Right, the frame and suspension need work. Let's sketch the plan. We'll start with the chassis.
Got it. The engine bay is next.
And the engine might still have life in it. Something hidden begins to appear. This could change everything.
There are details here you don't see every day.
This might actually be worth saving.
First, we strip away years of neglect.
Let's foam this beast. Scrub hard, get that rust off. It's looking cleaner already.
Every inch carefully restored.
And suddenly, the shape returns. Look at that rust. The Testarossa is back. It's waking up. Yeah, looking sharp. But this is only the beginning.
We begin by removing the foundation, piece by piece.
Nothing is left untouched. Every piece has a purpose.
The inside, completely exposed. Every detail matters.
This is the heart of everything.
And now, we start again from nothing. Years of corrosion erased one layer at a time. Damaged steel brought back to strength. Precision down to the smallest measurement. To the smallest measurement, new life flows through every wire.
Perfection begins before the first drop of paint. A clean foundation for something extraordinary.
Gold replaces everything it once was.
Every surface now reflects perfection.
The foundation is ready. Now it becomes something new.
Strength rebuilt for every movement ahead. Control restored with precision. Every component carefully restored. The heart rebuilt with precision. Fresh energy fills the system. The heart returns exactly where it belongs. A new soul, crafted from the inside out. Control returns to the driver's hands. It responds after years of silence. A modern touch meets timeless design.
A new stance, bold and unmistakable. Inside, it feels like the future.
It's ready, but not yet unleashed.
Now everything changes.
Just before the final reveal, something unexpected appears.
A marking hidden for years.
This isn't just a standard model. What do you mean? Look at these readings.
It's something far more rare.
After everything, this is what remains.
A vision reborn. Every line redefined. Every detail perfected. This is more than restoration.
And now it breathes again.
A heartbeat brought back to life.
Power reborn.
Ready to move again.
From stillness to motion.
From darkness into light.
A second chance earned.
A new identity forged.
A legacy restored.
This is what passion creates.
If you believe in transformation, this is just the beginning.